This is a quick video to show you how to edit the form on your Squarespace website and where the hell do these answers actually go to? Do they go to the ether somewhere, or actually they just go to your email? So basically Squarespace doesn't have an email, you just link it up to your email that you've created. So I'm in edit already, and then I double click on the form. I've got content, design and storage. So with content, I can just add in another field form. So for instance, I've just added in what's your favorite color, which is a drop down box as a label, and then I didn't put any description, and then the options were pink, blue, and I could add more and more. And then that's how it would look below here. And then you could add in other things. So you could add another field, and you could add in a survey or a checkbox, for instance. So they would have an option 1 or option 2. So where would you like to have your photo taken, in a poppy field or by the sea? Things like that. So that's how you edit, so you can play around with what you need, what your needs are for your contact page. And then we've got storage. So I've just got my old email in there, and all of these, whoever fills this form in and press send, it will go to that Gmail that I've put in there. So I hope that's helped.